What up? How you guys doing? Oh no, I've been on some projects. I just haven't been posting much. It's been tough lately, if you know what I'm saying. But I got me a new one this morning, and I want to show you guys what I got going on. Check this out. Just came in. Just got here last night. We got a 2016 Duramax 3500 HD, and it come to me. It just needs some love. It's a beautiful truck, looks awesome. It just needs some Reds love. So I would like to know, what would you all do to make this look a little bit better? Like, what would you do to improve the look of this? And then, but stay tuned, because here in a few days, I'll throw out what I do to it and see if you guys like it. But yeah, 2016 Duramax, let's put some red custom into it, if you know what I'm saying. All right, God bless everybody. Have a great day.